Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be taking a closer look at the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo Next, which is a fully automatic espresso machine designed to bring the cafe quality coffee right into your kitchen. It promises 3 one-touch recipes, customizable grind settings, premium milk frothing, and a modern color display all in one machine. But does it actually justify the price? Let's break it down in today's video. And if you want to check out the latest pricing and the availability of the product, the link is in the description box below. So first of all, let's start with what makes this particular machine stand out. So first of all, you will get 13 one-touch drink recipes. This includes espresso, coffee, americano, latte, cappuccino, and more. So with a single tap, your drink is prepared automatically, which makes the mornings much easier. It is also going to feature a built-in conical burr grinder with 13 adjustable settings. That means you can fine-tune your grind depending on your beans and the flavor preferences. Freshly ground beans make a noticeable difference in the taste, and this machine delivers consistently smooth espresso. The real highlight is De'Longhi's Latte Crema Hot technology. It creates thick, creamy foam for the milk-based drinks, including milk alternatives. Cappuccinos come out with the rich textures, and lattes have that barista style finish. The 2.4-inch TFT color display makes everything easy to navigate. The interface feels modern and intuitive, and you can even save up to 3 personalized drink profiles, which is great if multiple people are using the machine. The performance wise, it heats up quickly and delivers consistent results. Espresso is rich and balanced, and the milk drinks have excellent foam quality. So the question here is, should you go for the product in 2026? So in my opinion, if you are someone who enjoys variety, customization, and one-touch convenience, then this machine is going to deliver a strong value for this particular price point. It's ideal for the coffee lovers who want cafe style drinks at home without learning the barista skills. So however, if you only drink straight espresso and you don't need milk drinks or the customizations, you should save money with the simpler machines. So if you have found this review helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you are interested or if you are considering the product, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.